Masami Odate, born May 8, 1990, is a Japanese professional wrestler. She is signed to WWE, where she performs on the Raw brand under the ring name Io Sky. She is a former Women's Money in the Bank contract holder, former WWE Women's Champion, and former Women's World Champion. Known for her athleticism and in-ring ability, she is regarded as one of the best women's wrestlers in the world. She competed as Io Shirai in WWE's developmental brand NXT, where she was a former NXT Women's Champion and NXT Women's Tag Team Champion with Zoe Stark, and previously in World Wonder Ring Stardom, where she was a two-time World of Stardom Champion. In Stardom, she is also a former two-time Wonder of Stardom Champion, six-time Artist of Stardom Champion, the inaugural SWA World Champion, one-time Goddesses of Stardom Champion, and one-time High Speed Champion, making her the company's first Grand Slam Champion. She was recognized as the Ace of Stardom and was the recipient of the 2015, 2016, and 2017 Tokyo Sports Joshi Purore Grand Prizes. Her run in Stardom coincided with the rise of her own stable, Queen's Quest, which carried on after Shirai's departure in 2018 until 2024. Making her debut in March 2007, she spent several years working as a tag team wrestler, teaming with her older sister Mio, with whom she wrestled for various promotions across Japan and Mexico. In June 2010, she and her sister came together with Kana to form the Triple Tails stable, which lasted for 15 months before Io broke out of the group and embarked on her singles career in Stardom. In April 2013, she won the promotion's top title, the World of Stardom Championship, later holding it twice, with each reign lasting for over a year. She worked for Stardom from 2011 until 2018, when she signed with WWE. Shirai made her WWE debut at the 2018 Mae Young Classic tournament, where she lost in the finals to Toni Storm. She was later assigned to the NXT brand, where she officially turned heel in 2019 and won her first championship in WWE, the NXT Women's Championship, in June the following year. She made her debut on the main roster at SummerSlam in July 2022 under the new name Io Sky and subsequently became a member of Bayley's stable, Damage CTRL. After winning the Money in the Bank contract, she won the WWE Women's Championship at SummerSlam in August 2023 before losing it to Bayley at WrestleMania 40 in April 2024. In March 2025, Sky won the Women's World Championship, making her the 10th WWE Women's Triple Crown Champion and the 7th WWE Women's Grand Slam Champion. She also became the first Japanese wrestler, male or female, to ever become Grand Slam champion in both Japan and the United States. Personal life. Odate and her older sister, fellow professional wrestler Mio Shirai, initially kept much of their private lives, including their real names, a secret, until the former's real name was revealed by Japanese authorities in May 2012, whereas her older sister has managed to keep her real name a secret. Odate is a fan of fellow professional wrestler Hiroshi Tanahashi and Japanese idol group Momoro Cloversy. Odate was previously in a relationship with fellow professional wrestler Kazushige Nosawa. The two lived together in Koto, Tokyo. Odate has extreme myopia and is considered legally blind without contacts or glasses. Odate is engaged to professional wrestler Takaaki Watanabe, also known by his ring name of Evil. Legal issue. On May 23, 2012, Odate and Nosawa were arrested at the Narita International Airport in Narita, Chiba upon their return from Mexico under suspicion of trying to smuggle 75 grams of marijuana hidden inside paintings of the two into the country. Both Odate and Nosawa denied the charges, claiming that the paintings were gifts from fans. Odate was released from a detention center on June 12th. On June 21st, Odate held a press conference, publicly apologizing to her fans, employers, and co-workers, while again denying the charges. Odate also revealed that she had not considered retirement, but wanted to work again and regain the trust of her peers and fans, while also revealing that she and Nosawa had ended their relationship. On June 28th, Japan's public prosecutor's office decided not to prosecute Odate over the incident. On July 9th, Mexico-based Japanese wrestler Takuya Sugi held a press conference and confessed to planting the drugs on Nosawa and Shirai. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.